When I launched my business, I expected headaches, but not from the bank. I wasn't asking for a loan, just a place to manage money without wasting hours on paperwork or digging through dashboards that haven't been updated in decades. After one too many support calls and too much time standing in lines, I hit a wall. That's when I started looking for something better, and that's how I found NorthOne. After a few months of real-world testing, paying bills, logging expenses, and moving money, I've got a pretty solid feel for how NorthOne holds up. In the next few minutes, I'll share how it performs, what's missing, and whether it deserves a place in your business toolkit this year. So how does NorthOne make life easier? Well, simple. NorthOne is built like a tech company, not a bank. It gives you a clean, powerful app with all the tools your business needs. And your money is still insured by a real FDIC-backed bank behind the scenes. So you're not trading safety for usability. It actually does what most business banks promise: streamlined tools that help you manage money with the same protection you'd get from a regular bank. And forget the branch visits and paper forms. The fact is, it's just a reliable way to handle your finances with an understandable, usable system. Look, running a small business is tough, so NorthOne covers the financial side completely. Their business checking account is built to cover what you really need: send payments, receive transfers, manage expenses, and even earn up to 2.5% annual percentage yield on what's sitting in the account. If you need capital, they get you access to loans and lines of credit, up to $250,000. And every time you use the debit card, you earn cash back on things you're going to need anyway: fuel, meals, hotels, supplies. But what I like so much is how centralized it is. Payments, rewards, bookkeeping, everything runs through the dashboard. It can get real ugly when you got a dozen apps to keep track of. If you're running a lean operation and you're looking for a bank designed for entrepreneurs, NorthOne is a smart alternative. All right, so when I dug into NorthOne for my own business, I was impressed by how straightforward it was, both in its usage as well as its pricing. The standard plan costs nothing. It's free to use, no monthly fees or account minimums. You'll earn interest for all cash in the account under $250,000, and most of the essentials are free: bill pay, incoming wires, account transfers. Some things like same-day ACH at 1.5%, or paper checks at $1, or outgoing wires at $20 do come with small fees, but nothing wild. You also get 2 free ATM withdrawals and 1 cash deposit each month. As far as cash back, the real money is in hotels and restaurants, 4%. Plus, it connects easily with Stripe, PayPal, and QuickBooks to keep your books smooth. Now, if the free plan's just not cutting it, there's a $30 a month NorthOne Plus plan, which packs in more. You'll earn 3% APY instead of 2.5%, no fees on same-day ACH and checks, and get reduced wire fees, $15 a pop. They also bump up your ATM and cash deposit limits. And they've got some pretty nice additional perks: $300 off with doula for helping set up your business and taxes, priority support, and even a dedicated customer success manager. It's just good to have someone who will stick up for you. At either tier, the whole setup feels like it was made for business owners. You get solid tools, clear pricing, and just enough flexibility to grow without having to rethink your bank every 6 months. So if you're thinking about giving NorthOne a try, check out the link in the description. For most products we talk about, we get special deals that you wouldn't be able to if you went straight to their website. Now, NorthOne gets a lot right. The app is clean, it's fast, and intuitive. The envelope budgeting system makes it easy to set money aside, and I like how well it syncs with the rest of my setup, both payment platforms like Square, as well as accounting platforms like QuickBooks. It all plays nice. Now sure, some folks have had bumps in the road. I've seen reports of people getting stuck waiting for debit cards or delays with wires and transfers. That's definitely not ideal. But to their credit, NorthOne support usually responds quickly and knows what they're doing. Gets things sorted quickly. All in all, for most small business owners, it just works. You get the tools, the speed, and the clarity you need. It's a solid choice if you want a banking setup that actually works with you, not against you. Trying to decide between NorthOne and Novo? Honestly, both are solid picks. But if you're looking for something more than just a place to stash cash, that's where NorthOne's got the edge. Novo is great if you want zero fees and don't need extras. There's no monthly cost, no minimum balance, and no overdraft fees. You can create and send unlimited invoices, set money aside with their reserves tool, and connect with apps like Stripe and Shopify. It does the job and stays out of the way. NorthOne, on the other hand, is more proactive. Up to 3% API, cashback on everyday business expenses, and a dashboard so you can manage your money. It's not just about storing cash, it's about utilizing it. You'll also get faster access to funds from PayPal or Square and tools that help you budget smarter. And if you ever need help, their support is just stronger as well, especially on the Plus plan where you get that dedicated rep. So yeah, Nova is great for keeping things simple and free. But if you want your bank to work alongside you and not just hold your money, NorthOne makes more sense. So to sum it up, NorthOne is not your typical big bank, but that's what makes it great for small businesses. From smart budgeting and fast payments to helpful tools and great perks, it's designed to make running your business a whole lot smoother. Are you thinking of giving NorthOne a shot, or are you already using it? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And quick heads up, if you're thinking about trying NorthOne, don't forget to check out the link in the description. Like I said, for most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. And that is a wrap on today's video. If this helped you understand your options a bit better, hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.